Peyton Whitney.
Brad's bachelor party, baby.
I'm announcing my sugar daddy, and I was like, that's me.
Here's your sunscreen, bro.
Clutched it. Hey, I need some too, man.
This? What?
We are about
Hey,
to descend for Brad's bachelor party.
Let's go.
Second, bro.
He's getting locked down for life tomorrow.
I am totally not making a pass today.
No. One. What you drinking? You have to.
You have to.
You literally have to. We all came and stood in this water for you. You have to.
I flew up here just
It's literally
not your way.
maybe 65, maybe 60.
I can't get the angle.
I got that here. The rest.
Okay, huddle up.
Huddle.
There's children watching. Hey.
Wait, hold on. I got white shit on my.
Pretty sure this is what a crackhead under a bridge feels like. Taking a hit.
Start from the bottom.
Now we
This is
here.
what it feels like to be like a homeless, like underneath the bridge.
Hey, yo, we got Brad's bachelor party 2020. Shout out Brad one time.
One time, just one time.
That's enough liquor for me.
Yes, sir.
Wait, do we have a speaker? Do we have a speaker?
Yes, sir. Yeah. He's not done. Don't listen to the GoPro footage. He's not done.
That's cold.
Beer's chilling.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Such a good influence. So many kids are watching. So many children are watching.
Get the children. Bachelor party. It's a bachelor party. The kids will know when they get older.
This is what you get when you come to Montana for your vacation.
Who's next?
Stay home.
Who's next?
Show up to your wedding like a lobster red.
It's not my fault.
Okay. You're up, my dude.
I'm the DD.
That's a bad influence, right?
That's bad.
And a
Wait, where's
mustache.
that?
It's like apple jam mustache.
Who's anybody else?
Oh, I can pull crown.
Oh,
Oh,
Zach's
I
ready.
can pull crown. What do you mean you can't pull
I
crown?
can't, dude. It's so. I hate.
Remember, we gotta go float the river after this.
Dude, once you got. Dude,
Okay.
I like tequila.
Whiskey
you like
river.
tequila?
I just like margaritas. So.
Alright, fair enough.
Bren, the driver, is
Dude,
clutching
just
it.
like.
Now it's time
Hey,
to let
mix,
loose, huh?
Like cream mix shit. Just mix it.
Oh, double
It
fisted.
tastes so much better.
Yeah, I
you just mix your
know.
own.
I know. I hate premix. Dude. Oh yeah.
Oh! You gotta drive.
Man. 2.5 hours. Yeah. Driver. Drink some water, baby.
Hey, Gabby, do you have a...
Yo, where's that?
Alright, Ben.
I'll take a pull.
I'm connected, but I don't have service.
Wait.
So I can't play anything that I don't already have.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
Good dogs,
I
baby.
didn't bring my
There we
phone
go.
because I'm never bringing my phone on the river again. Nice.
Flavored whiskey is a crime against whiskey.
Scoop, you don't want any?
We got a big
Yeah, I'll take some.
It's a crime against whiskey, but... Yeah, he'll take some.
No, liquor's liquor. Like, honestly, at the end of the day, if you're
Dude,
not getting tanked,
Mormon
at Bachelor,
Jesus doesn't care if it's a bachelor
Dude,
party.
Mormon Jesus prays.
No, off on the lake. Allah.
Oh, Mormon, that was.
That's solid.
And
We're not.
let's get it.
I took some pretty dope like videos of like Thailand just jumping off cliffs. They're so smooth, man.
I thought about this the other day. Yeah. It was like what I actually like.
You thought I was Apple Music, dude?
Whoa.
Get out of my face.
Everyone shits on me for having Apple Music. Everybody, yes, I know.
So
I
do I.
can't change. You got Apple Music. I have too many playlists. Like I can't change. I would love Spotify, but like I can't transfer my playlist. So like I don't know what the fuck to do. Like,
Unbelievable.
everyone hates me because I have Apple Music. Like I literally like everyone hates me. Like literally. Like everyone just like.
Oh,
Brad.
break them.
You gotta hold it on the bottom.
Why? Oh my.
Are my hands cold?
Brad, go. We don't have so much time for footy.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, dude.
God damn it.
Backseat?
God.
I just want like the perfect song.
You may look at all that stuff, but like, it helped me so much.
I don't care.
We're different, dude.
It's helped.
It helps people. Let's go. You want some? You're not getting any.
Brad's a different person.
That's what I'm saying. And it's
And he's better for it.
for real.
Not the stage.
So tasty, good.
Tasty,
Oh, we rolling? What's up? Hey, hey. You ain't gotta pull me off the cooler, bro. Damn.
The GoPro with the GoPro, bro.
I got the GoPro 4, GoPro 7. We the camera crew. Let's see it.
I've been weak sometimes. Yes. But it comes down to the fact that it's so even good.
That's what I'm fucking talking about.
All right, Zach. GG.
That's how we do, baby.
Squared, baby.
That's how we do.
How you feeling, boys? Woo! Alright, pull this man up by his armpit. Hey guys, I don't think Brad get your face in that.
I think Brad needs a drink, huh?
Brad needs a drink. I'm trying to make sure we don't.
Go ahead and hand him that crown, huh? Brad, let's go. Take a drink, dude. Brad, let's go.
Not worried, huh?
Yo, we trust Q. He's a fucking brother.
Oh, I can't get it open.
Oh, you pussy.
I can't get it open.
Let's go. Hey! A boy.
What am I doing? You're not getting drunk enough. That's what you're doing. Catch you down at the bottom.
Even if I told you, still want to understand what happened.
Hey, Brad.
Rather be myself and people ain't get mad. Keep it cold.
Let's go, Coop.
Yo, I need some sunscreen. I'm gonna burn, nigga.
Oh, Captain Q is guiding us. Yeah. Oh. Oh, Coop, don't, dude, don't. It's too nice. It's too good. Oh. I'm gonna get Man, oh that a boy! Get him up! Get him up! Yeah, Brad, I'm with you, bro. Let's not jump in like that. You down for that?
You know what? I think you're right. Good call. Good call, Morton. Good call.
Thanks, dog. Thanks.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. All right, buddy. I can pull you in. All right.
We got an exclusive interview with W. Coop, how are you feeling after that jumping, huh?
All right, after going to the water, we're saying it's like 40 degrees tops, dude. That shit is gonna give you hypothermia.
That shit is cold.
You're gonna die if you go in there. We're fucking toast. We're all getting our toast chopped off. We're done. We're fucking done, dude.
Done, boy.
You can give a fuck. That's an interception. Oh, I said that
Zach,
wrong.
your wrist.
Whatever, dog. You
Zach,
just gotta
your
flip
wrist.
it.
Zach,
Fuck
your
it.
wrist.
Don't do it.
Fuck. He doesn't have his arms.
Yo, grab them flippy floppies. What's up? Hurry up. No mama come here.
Call, sure, good call.
Come here until it starts Tyler. I'm doing it in the mirror. I'm doing it in the mirror. I'm doing it in the mirror.
Cameron, love you, Cameron. Wait, hold on. Where you at? Hold on.
Boys down, bitch. Boys fucking down. Boys down.
You to do is just drop that ass down, drop that ass down, look back at it.
Oh, the head's in my ass.
Oh, shit.
Ow, this is a crap show.
All right.
Hey, hold up. We gotta make an executive decision. Who thinks Brad has to finish the crowd?
No.
Chug.
I'm trying, dude.
Take the water on that shit. Come on.
Let me ask you a question, young man. You want to leave today, or you want to drown?
I'll drown.
All right.
Hey, I drown with you. Zach, get that shirt on. Fuck it, I'll drown.
Zach, you got a booger left on.
Spank that! Oh! Oh! One more! One more! Oh! Brad! Brad! Give it to him! Oh, give it to him! Go ahead, take one, take one. Here we go. Take one, Hugh. Give it to Brad, boy. I'm pulling your phone. You gotta give it to Brad, dude. Brad, one big one. No! Sorry, bro, you have to. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. It's a little swinging. Zach is straight up having a good time.
No cap. No cap.
No! Ben! Ben, get off me! Ben, get off me! What are you doing? Get off of me! Brad? No! Push him on! Push him on! Get him out! You asshole! You were the chosen one! You were the chosen one! Oh no! I gotta take it! I gotta take it, bro! Yes! All right. Take it, bro. All right. If we don't make it past this last footing, we died on Bone Crusher.
This is literally like, this is the end of an era, like, boys. Look at me. Like, I probably look like I'm fucking Alright, this is the end. This is the end.
Coop's in the driver's seat.
Oh, fuck, I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright, we're going. Alright, we rolling. We rolling, baby. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta get mine too. Stop playing games around here.
Dude. Wait, is this Bone Crusher? Like, is this coming up? Like,
Hey, Coop! Look at my life jacket.
alright, okay, we got everyone in the boat though, right? Like, Quinn's here, Cooper's here. Like, everyone's here, right?
Here.
Like, Zach's here.
Head count
Like,
one.
everybody's here, right?
broken,
Like,
I'm
just
here.
making sure. Like,
Let's put the bow forward.
okay, this is like terrifying. Like, this is literally like, I don't.
We're dying today, bro.
Like,
How much shit we
I
got in the
cleared
boat?
my
That's
search
just
history.
yeah,
Sunscreen. Who needs sunscreen?
not me. Fuck the sun, bro. Like,
Brad,
fuck
you
the
can't
sun.
get sunscreen.
We don't need sunscreen, bro. We're in Montana. Like,
Brad,
we don't need
For the
sunscreen.
wedding.
No.
Yeah!
Alright, spin, yeah, keep spinning the back end.
Wait, what?
If we flip, wait, flip.
I honestly need probably
Great. That's what I paid him for. He was only like free.
We're good.
He's a rap guy. He was free. I don't know.
Just make sure it doesn't fall.
He said he knew what he was doing. I'm a crackhead. How do you? How do you know?
I got squeezed in the pistol.
Fuck your head.
No,
That's about yak, bro.
no.
Straight up.
Wait, no, wait. You not jump off the boat right now.
Gabby, now's not the time.
Now's the time. It's before the rapids.
No.
Oh my
Brad. No.
This is 100% my fault.
Yeah, why did you get married, bro?
Let's just honestly, Brad, this is all your fault.
The only reason I'm out here is because of you.
The only reason.
Literally the only reason.
Yeah,
I didn't rent this
I
shit.
didn't even want to do this. Oh!
You gotta get in the boat.
Pull your dick in that fast?
Dude, my dick's short.
Nice.
Oh my god.
You know how cold the water is? Holy fuck. Tell me you got a long dick in this water. Fuck that.
This is my handle, baby. Oh.
Gabby! Hold on! I am holding on.
Alright, Lenny boy.
Oh no!
Clear off it a little bit. We got a little. Okay.
That is so cold!
This shit's weak as fuck.
Never seen nothing! Ain't nothing!
Alright.
Captain Q on the host! Let's go, baby!
Let's go quick!
Oh, there's the bone! There's the bone! Oh! Oh! No! We're gonna smoke these rocks! Oh! Back! You're good, Zach. First round. Hey, listen up. Going 1 for 1? We're doing good. How many? Hey, Mouse, how many we got? How many rounds? Head count. No. No, you're next. Here we go. We may get it. Oh, we're thinking. Yeah, we may get it. We're literally not moving. Dude, we can't hit rock. We got bounce.
There we go, baby.
That was fuck.
I'm cracking this right on both crosses.
If you ride with me, baby, we can do this forever. In a day, yes sir. Ain't no other way. This is Bachelor. One time I tell him I'm coming for the dream.
What up? We do this every time. Oh, the music pause.
Oh, that's a buzzkill.
I'm trying to hit pause. Woo! We going, baby. We going, baby. Whoa!
Ben, you
Whoa! Ben, how you doing, brother? Whoa!
I'm doing it.
He's doing it. Woo! Backwards. Back. Get back. Get back. Oh. Get back. Get back. Oh! Tell me what are you gonna do? We play. Let it go. Don't hit the fat rock. Oh, we're hitting it head on. On top of us, baby.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go, baby. Oh! I got my money back. I'm straight up. Nipping.
Hey, get up.
Oh, well, we're just going to hit these rocks, too. Oh! Wait, what, Quentin? I got my money back, dude. You messed it up bad, honey.
Oh my
You
god.
said truly over my boy. And jump. Yeah, twice. We're not gonna die. Quentin's like, I just went through Jaws. It's the worst rapids on my back. You'll be okay. Just do it. Okay. You'll be good.
Josh fucking.
We're good. I was on my back.
Josh.
Swigging my truth.
Do it, baby.
Just do it.
Man, just do it, baby.
Just do it, baby.
I don't even know what the fuck is going on, but just do it. What is going on?
This is the cliff jump right here.
It is, dude.
You guys want to do it? Are we pulling this one?
Honestly, I might
Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach.
I might just do the bridge.
I don't care how pussy you are.
And you're right. I'm a pussy.
I'm calling you out right now.
Clint.
Calling me out.
Go. All right, Zach, let's go.
We got Glenn Morden in the cockpit right here.
You got this, dude. I got the rock.
We got my guide bounced up there.
Let go.
We got Gabby up there. They're getting ready to jump. I'll land right about here.
Brad, please go on, dude.
Where are they jumping, dude?
Probably the hall speed thingy.
Where they at?
There's water in there, dude. No, we actually have a water bottle.
That's so shallow. Screw that.
You got a life jacket
Oh.
on, dude?
No.
Whose idea was this, Quentin?
This was all your idea.
Whose idea?
We're fucked.
Jump out here. Hit right here.
Gabby's
Hit right
retarded.
here.
Wait, shallow?
Hit
What
right
are you
here.
talking about? I can't even see the bottom.
Oh my god.
Hit right here.
I should have known better. I should have known better. This is my fault. This is all my fault. I should have known better.
Whose fault is
Right.
it?
So let's get a raft at the bachelor party. That'd be fun. That'd be so much fun. That'd be so much fun. Dude, is this recording?
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Yep, we still going. Glenn, how you feel?
Oh, I feel great.
That's like 12.
He feels great.
Okay, I mean it's deep enough.
Yeah, just talking about a front flip.
It's deep enough, but like
I don't know if it's deep enough.
Look to your right.
like right there is deep enough.
How deep are we? I think I see like a 5-foot sign painted on the rock over there.
Oh, me too. Me too.
This is 5 feet.
That's fine. 5 feet's
5 feet's good.
yeah.
If you land on your stomach, you'll be all right.
Yeah. 5 feet's even if you fuck it, like 5 feet's plenty.
Hey, just wait for the bridge.
Oh, they're not. They're not.
We'll be good on that.
I'm gonna face off.
Gabby.
You're on footy, baby. Send a sexy big old Q-Dog one.
It's so cold.
It is cold as fuck.
If you die, it's on video.
Yep. Yeah.
Don't break your leg, dude. Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Backflip, baby.
Woo! Okay.
All right, let's get him up.
Should have saved that for the bridge, buddy.
Let's get him up.
Oh!
Let's go.
Had to back flip.
Back flop for Brad. Hashtag that.
When is Larry?
Got it?
Gabby.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Hey, Faust, how's your back feel?
Alright. Yeah.